Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage date and time settings on Zotac Gaming Handheld. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start, navigate to the settings, then open time and the language, go for date and time. Inside you'll be able to enable set time zone automatically. As the first option, you can turn it on and off. When it's off, you can adjust your time zone manually, and also you can activate to adjust the daylight savings time automatically. Then there's the set time automatically. You can turn it off. Then you'll be able to adjust date and time manually with the change button. Let's change it like that, and that would be most of the options. One last thing right here is show time and date in the system tray. That means right here, and we can turn it on and off. And finally, last thing is synchronize now. That means you'll be able to synchronize your date and time from the server. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.